Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a download link in WordPress. And we are using InstaWP to set up our WordPress environment. And this service allows you to launch a WordPress installation in under 1 minute. And it does everything for you, such as setting up SSL. It's instant and also disposable. So check it out, instawp.io. So back at our dashboard, we just want to open our media library in a new tab. So if we have not added our media items, what we need to do is click add new and drag and drop to upload, or click select files to browse the items on our computer to upload. So right now we are going to go back to our dashboard and click posts. So we'll be working with this sample post today. So we just want to click sample post. So this is our sample post, and all we need to do is add a link to download an image at the bottom of this paragraph right here. So what we want to do is click this plus icon to add a new block, click paragraph, and we just want to type, for example, download image here. So we want to make this portion of our text a hyperlink. So all we need to do is click this icon, this link button right here, and paste the link to our image. So if we click our image, we see our file URL is this right here. We just want to click copy URL to clipboard and go back and paste this in this box. Click this to submit. And we just want to preview our post in a new tab. All right, so we have our post, and if we click the link, we see that we have our image with the option to save it. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to make this download automatically. And this applies to a PDF or an audio file or anything else. So all we need to do is click these three dots right here, this options button, and click edit as HTML. So first we need to copy our title. Our image title is right here. So copy this. And over here, we have our opening paragraph tag as well as our closing paragraph tag. And we have our opening hyperlink tag and our closing hyperlink tag. So right after the opening tag, we just want to type download, put a space and type download equals open quotes, paste our file name and close quotes. So once we preview this and we click our link, our file should download automatically. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to add a download button to your post. And we want to add this button after this paragraph. So let us click the end of the paragraph and click this plus icon. So we want to add a button block. Let's type button. Click this. And we have our button. So we can customize the appearance of our button as well as the typography. So let's just make this 100% width. And let's add our text. Let's say download PDF. All right. So we just want to add our link right now. So if we click this to add the link, we want to go back to our media gallery. Let's just close this sample post. And let's close this and find our PDF download link. So we clicked our PDF, and this is our file URL right here. So we just want to click copy URL to clipboard and go back to our post and paste this in our box. Click this to submit. And we just want to preview in a new tab. If we click this button, we have our PDF and the option to download it. So we have successfully added download links to our post, and we've added a download PDF button and this link right here. And by the way, this text is called anchor text. So the text that you make your link is called anchor text. So I really hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.